All right, let's talk about some basic strategies that you can utilize trends for. The first one we're going to start with is channel trading. And channel trading is probably the most common way to make money in the market, even if you don't recognize it. Basically, you just buy at some point during an uptrend, and we want to utilize technical analysis in order to find those optimal entries. So, to utilize channel trading, you have to recognize you're in a trend. You have to have confirmed levels of resistance and support, just like we see here. Our resistance line is indicated by the blue on the upside, and then down here we have our support line. So what we're doing really is playing a game of ping pong between these two areas of support and resistance. We know that as long as we maintain this trend, we're going to stay inside this confined range. So we can use that to our benefit. And what we do is we scout for an entry near the bottom of our trend. So once we hit a bottom, 1, 2 confirmations, 3 confirmations, even if you wanted to wait for the 4th or 5th confirmation in this case, because this is an extended trend, all you have to do is wait till you're down to that area of support, make a long position, so you buy some stock here, and then if the trend is going to hold true, the price will move up and continue to move up as long as that support holds. So it's theoretically a very easy way to make money in the market, buying an uptrend and just holding that. So to reiterate, we enter a long position at the bottom, right where our support is. We move our stop losses up as the trend develops in order to make sure that we're going to stay profitable, and we exit at the first sign of resistance. So there are a couple options in this case. We see that we have a resistance line right through the middle of our trend. We can draw that in if you want to, or you can wait until you hit your trend line resistance. Trend line resistance in this case, not very clear because we don't know that we have that resistance until we get our 3rd confirmation. So what we're going to be doing is utilizing multiple strategies for exits. You can learn more about that in some of our other materials. But look for areas of resistance inside your pattern. We know that patterns and trends can be fractal, so there could be a trend inside this trend. We want to watch for that. And then just exit for signs of reversal. So why does channel trading really work? It works because it relies on support. We know that a trend is a trend, and the longer a trend stays in place, the more reliable it is. So when we have a support that's confirmed 4, 5, 6 times, we can bet with relative confidence that it's going to hold. So entering a long position, setting a stop loss just on the other side of that trend line support in case it does indeed fail, and then riding that support and that enthusiasm to the upside. Another reason that this works well is because there are clear levels for entry and exits. We know where our support is, we know where our resistance is, and it gives us a very easy profit target to work with. And as I mentioned before, probably the most common way for people to make money in the market is trading with the trend and using that mantra, the trend is your friend.